Quantitative easing will continue because it's popular with voters. Debt and deficits will continue because they're popular with voters. Artificially low interest rates will continue because they're popular with voters. The fiscal policy that we have is a war on savers by spenders. And spenders are much more numerous than savers, so it makes sense that they would be winning. You bribe people with their own money, or better yet, with other people's money. And quantitative easing and debts and deficits and artificially low interest rates are just that. It makes perfect sense that the circumstance that we're in has evolved over time and continues until or unless confidence doesn't. I believe it is more likely than not that gold goes higher as a consequence of the policies that society demands. What happens tomorrow? What happens Friday? What happens a month from now? I've learned in 45 years in markets, I have no control of and frankly no concern about. But I read a study about a year and a half ago that suggests that precious metals and precious metals related investments market share of total US investment savings assets is less than 1/2%, which is to say that most generalist advisors, despite the fact that there's only 4 letters, can't spell gold. And more importantly, the 3-decade mean market share for precious metals and precious metals related assets was between 1.5% and 2%. So even if the insane policies don't propel more people into gold in the near term, my suspicion is that precious metals will, at a minimum, revert to their 3-decade mean, which would triple or quadruple their market share and hence demand for that asset class, which is precisely what I think is going to happen.